This is not your exit. You've gone back on the same road.
They're right next to each other, aren't they?
Okay, into gear 3. No big deal. And now take the next road on the left. This one here. There's no reason why you're going so slow. Okay. You need to be conscious.
I just don't. I go slow in turning, so I don't want to, like, you know, when it's tight, I don't want to lose control of the car.
I understand that, but you're coming off a high-speed dual carriageway, and you're unnecessarily dropping your speed. At the end of the road, turn left, then follow the signs for city centre. But before you do, I want you to pull up on the left in a safe place.
Before I do, I need to pull up on the left.
I want you to pull up on the left, in this little area here, off the main road. Anywhere here.
Inside?
Yeah, anywhere here. Slow yourself down. Anywhere here. Come off the main road. More to the left so you're off the main road. And stop.
I should have been here.
This is perfectly fine. Yes. Yeah. Okay. This is left to right. So it's not the first turn, not the second, the third technically is where the fruit market is.
Right next to each other.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't pull you up for that. I pulled you up for something else. Okay. I pulled you in because I'm going to make you make the third exit. Okay? The third exit, I want you to come off in lane 3.
Third exit?
Yeah. Come off
From
in lane
here?
3. Yeah.
Okay.
So you're going to follow the signs for the city centre, but you're going to come off in lane 3.
Yeah.
Because there's 3 lanes.
Okay.
Do you know, while you're doing it, did you see anything on the floor? There's some sort of obstruction on the floor. I need you to be aware of it.
Okay.
Do you know what it is?
I might have seen it, but I can't remember now.
It's a massive black blob.
Okay.
Do you know what it is on the floor?
Is it animal?
Nope, something else. It's a concrete, not a concrete, tarmac block.
Okay.
It's on the floor. Now, if it's not in your lane when you're turning right, that's perfectly fine. Okay. But if it's not in your lane and there's somebody in that lane that has to drive over it, they're going to come into your lane or the lane on the left.
Yeah.
Whatever happens, you need to be aware of that as a hazard as you're going around.
Okay.
Now, if you went in my car, I'd stop on the roundabout, I'd take it off. Okay. So I want you to follow the signs for the city centre. We're then following the signs for the airport. So when you're ready, move off. So we're following the signs for
city centre.
Yeah.
Which is right.
Gear 3. You must go up in gears, okay?
Slow down.
If it's safe, don't stop. But if it's not safe, you must stop going to a lower gear. As soon as you get that opening, you must go.
Yeah.
So as soon as you find a safe opening, keep looking to your right and analyse what lane everybody's going in. Remember, you need to cross all 3. That's your gap. But that was your gap because he was blocking everybody to take his exit. Yep. Now go faster. Remember the blob on the road I was telling you about?
Yeah.
Gear 2. Go around faster. But be conscious of the big blob in the road.
Okay.
It's here.
Yeah. So I need to go next exit now.
Unless somebody's driven over it. Come off in lane 3.
Lane 3.
Now pick up speed.